Installing ServiceNow, a cloud-based platform, involves provisioning access rather than traditional installation methods. Here's how to get started. Subscription. Subscribe to ServiceNow by contacting their sales team or visiting their website to initiate the subscription process. Provisioning. Once subscribed, ServiceNow will provision access to the platform. You will receive login credentials and access instructions via email. Login. Use the provided credentials to log into the ServiceNow platform. Upon first login, you may be prompted to change your password and set up security features. Access roles. ServiceNow administrators can assign specific access roles to users based on their responsibilities and permissions needed within the system. Customization. Customize the ServiceNow instance to meet your organization's requirements. This includes configuring ticketing workflows, forms, fields, and notifications. Training. Train users on how to use the ServiceNow ticketing tool effectively. ServiceNow offers training courses and resources to help users get acquainted with the platform. Go live. Once configured and users are trained, you can start using the ServiceNow ticketing tool to log, manage, and resolve incidents, requests, and changes within your organization's IT service management processes.